Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit, and today we're working on this Range Rover Defender Urban Edition. And to protect this vehicle, what we've installed is the Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So the way it works, obviously if someone cloned this key, stole this key, hopped in and tried to steal the vehicle, it will start up and run, but as soon as they select a gear, you'll see it switches off. There we go, they're not able to drive away. So when the customer obviously wants to start this vehicle and they want to drive it for themselves, they hop in as normal, ignition on, they'll put in their PIN code. We've kept it simple for the video at 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash from the indicators, and at this point we can start the vehicle and select a gear. As you can see, we can now move the vehicle. So if the customer wanted to change the code on this system, obviously doesn't want to keep it as simple as 3 button presses, the process for that is very straightforward. So first you have to disarm the system. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our double flash. And then we have to hold the full beam back, input our push sequence again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the indicators will start to flash. Once they start flashing, we can release the full beam. Now every time we press a button that we can use, it will get a flash. So I believe this button here works. There we go. 4. Just change it to 4 button presses. We'll get 3 flashes to confirm the code's gone in. And now we'll repeat that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get a double flash to confirm that code. There we go, and that's the new code learnt. This push sequence could be anything between 4 and 21 presses in any combination, so it doesn't have to be a single button. It could be a combination of multiple buttons around the vehicle to start the car, and obviously it could be up to 21 presses. So what we'll do now is just show you the new code. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash, and now we can start the vehicle and select a gear. Lastly, if the customer obviously wants to take this for a service, take it back to Land Rover, get them to service it, and they obviously need to move it around their workshop and road test it, they won't want to give them the code. You want it to act like a normal car, and the way you turn service mode on is first disarm the system, so ignition on, pop your code in, get our double flash to confirm it's disarmed. Now we'll hold the full beam back and press the service button, which is the passenger window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the indicators start to flash, we'll let go of the full beam. We'll get 5 flashes, and that confirms this vehicle is now in service mode. So when Range Rover come to road test this, drive it around their workshop, do what they need to do, it will start up as normal. And if they exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, they'll get a double flash from the indicators, and at that point the system will be protected when they next turn it off. Hope this helps out some of our customers that are looking to get a Ghost Immobiliser fitted on their Defender. This one's a 2021 Urban Edition, and if you want to get it protected, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. We're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393, and we'll help protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.